In the ever-evolving skyline of Lagos, a new landmark emerges right in the heart of Ikeja. Welcome to 1865 Residences, Ikeja. 1865 Residences Ikeja is an expansion of the prestigious 1865 Residences, Victoria Island, where excellence and innovation in apartment living have already been defined. Now, Efficacy Development PLC brings that same blend of luxury, comfort and value to Ikeja, crafted for discerning and investors that think ahead. Sitting gracefully on prime land, 1865 Residences Ikeja offers 1 to 3 bedroom apartments and 4 bedroom Maisonettes, each designed for elegance, functionality and long-term appreciation. Strategically facing and linking to Maryland Link Bridge, Ikorodu Road and the Okpebi Link Bridge, this address stands at the center of Lagos connectivity and opportunities. With a C of O title, a 12-month flexible payment plan and a 5% off outright purchase, this isn't just a property, it's an investment in tomorrow's legacy. This prestigious estate will be launching in January. Lock in now with the family-friendly prices.